Hey, beauty gang, welcome back to my channel. Today in our DIY series, we are making African black soap body wash. So we started off with our African black soap, which has shea butter in it. I purchased this off of Amazon, and everything that I'm using, as always, will be in the description box below. What I'm going to do is cut this in a few cubes at a time to try to break down the African black soap. And if you have never made African black soap body wash, facial wash, it can be a challenge to melt the black soap because it is such a natural product. So I'm going to try to cut it up into small pieces as much as I can to help the soap dissolve faster when we put it on our double boiler in a few. Y'all, for the life of me, when I do videos, it's like my daughter, she goes and she hides my material. I could not find my soap cutter, so I'm using a regular old good old sharp kitchen knife because I couldn't find my soap cutter, which I was hoping I would have had to cut the soap up because it would have cut it so much better. But we're making it do what it do and cutting these up into small sections as much as we can. And we got it all chopped up. That is so beautiful, y'all. Forgive my ring light. I got a shortage, so it may go in and out, but we progress. We're gonna take it on to our double boiler and add in our distilled water and kind of spread the black soap around so it can disperse evenly. In the meantime, while we're waiting for our black soap to begin to boil, we are going to make our slur consisting of xanthan gum, and you can use guar gum also, but I'm using xanthan gum to make a slur which will help thicken the body wash later. So we're going to just mix that around to get the xanthan gum and glycerin together, and then I'm going to take my vitamin E and combine it into this mixture as well. This part we're going to do our oils and butter. We're going to go ahead and get that on the double boiler as well. I use my safflower oil, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I am going to put in a little mango butter. The African black soap already consisted of shea butter, but I love me some mango butter, so I'm just going to chop a few pieces up in there, and we're going to put that on a double boil as well. And we're going to get ready to check on our African black soap, which is starting to dissolve and break down. I think right here I added some stearic acid, but I don't know what happened, which will help keep the oils and butters from separating later when we blend all of the mixtures together. And right here I am showing you how the soap is starting to dissolve, but not quite there yet. Again, I told you, time and patience is the game with making this body wash. So please be prepared to stir a lot and have a lot of patience.
Few moments later.
African black soap tends to have a lot of debris, which doesn't completely break down, which I'm showing you, which we will strain into a bowl to get the liquids. Y'all, she's back. Little trusty dusty little mini. Y'all, I'm gonna give me a bigger one. Don't talk about my little strainer. I tore my big one up, so I really haven't made a trip to the Dollar Tree yet, but I want to give me a bigger one. But she does what she needs to do, and we're going to add in our oils and butters with our stearic acid, as well as our slur. We're going to add that to the black soap, and we're going to begin mixing all of it together. Try not to stir so hard because it will accumulate a lot of bubbles and you can't see your mixture. So try to shift back and forth and do light passes and stirring. This will put your wrist game to complete work. I did stir a lot off camera because I have to take consistent breaks because I have carpal tunnel in my right hand. So I had to stir a lot off camera as well. But your stir game has to be really on point when making this because you want to get everything mixed in and you don't want any separation of the oil and the soap in this body wash mixture. This part is completely optional, but right here will be the point where you would add your essential oils to your body wash if you wanted to have some kind of scent to it. I like to add a few of my favorites: sweet orange, lemongrass, and another one that I added to it. And you can see that the xanthan gum has started to get it thick. And as it cools, the body wash will begin to get a bit on the thicker side. Alright, we're getting ready to wrap this video up. I wanted to just thank you guys for all the love and continuous support. Please, please, please don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any further DIY projects, entrepreneur blogs, small business chit chats, and so much more content to come, you guys. Also, please don't forget to follow us on our social media platform as we are on the journey to our 1K on TikTok so we can do that super huge giveaway on TikTok. So please go in the description box and follow me on all of my social media platforms. Until next time, you guys, please stay safe, stay blessed, stay prayed up, and as always, embrace the queen or king that you are. Love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Bye.